Okay, this is my AK. This thing fell off. So I had to put screws here, bolt here and here. I got a replacement coming for that. But what I really want to do is I want to make a a little knob for my thing here. So I'm going to take this, which is a 13mm socket wrench with the square thing on there. I'm just gonna put it in here. I already marked it off. I'm gonna try and get it fitted right into that. You see that? Get it fitted right into that. And when I'm done, it should look something like this. Feel that? Then you go on this. Molly. I'll build it through and tap it so we can do that. Okay, I got some here. I'm going to tap this thing in. See whatever you have available. Get this thing started here. Alright, there's a charging handle. I already chopped it, and it's from a 5/8 socket. You can use this one or a square, but either one will work. Okay, I got it installed. I got the screws in here and here. Put Loctite on there. When you install it, just try to make it so that this safety can get right into it, like right here. And when you install this thing, just make sure the safety is all the way back so it can clear that. There, keep your hands clear. And you can see right there, that should open up, right? That stuff right there should open up. But just kind of look at it. I replaced these right here. Put screws on that and that. Feel a little bit of but it bends forward a little bit, so I can grab onto it. Yeah. No, that's for me. All the way back. Bring it up. And safety's up. You just look at it. I just want to keep that open so you actually know what it is. Probably want to plug it up, but I'll just leave it like it is. Alright. I still haven't done finished the wood up. I'll paint that up. But I painted these up right here. Green paint. Green. And blue. Whatever. Now what I want to do is go figure out a way how to make a quick release. I like this paddle to be a little bit longer, but you know, put the magazine. That's all I got for now.